Welcome back to 4K Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact or cover up important information using Adobe Acrobat. The first thing we'll do is go into Edit and select Redact Text and Images. And then you just select what you want to redact or cover up using your cursor. Once you have everything selected, click Apply, then OK, and then you'll save it as a different file. Now let's close the window and open the file we just redacted. And there you have it. Everything that you need private will be private. I hope this tip has been helpful. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications.